Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to showcase one of the dashboard, which is contracts dashboard that I have created using Looker Studio software. So here, this dashboard basically provides us the insights of our contracts that we have signed, sent, and their different values according to the persons and over the date range. So before going into the details, I would like you to discuss about this section, which is drop down. So I have two drop downs here. First one is the closer, and then the other one is the select date range. So we can filter out the name of the person who is closing the contracts, and their number of contracts is being displayed over here as well. So this is the first filter, and then the other one is the date range. So we can now change the dates as per our requirements, and we can click on apply. Then this whole dashboard before and the table behind it will change automatically. Now, this layout, this section provides us the total contracts value, then the sign rate. So the sign rate is in the percentage. Then the sent value, these are the count of sent items. Then the total sent value is in dollars. Then how many contracts we have signed. And this card represents the sign value of how many signed values that we have uh, signed during that particular period. And because currently I didn't selected any person, so it's provided all the four persons currently. But we can use any of the names. So just like I just wanted to choose this Thomas House, then this dashboard will automatically update it for that Thomas House. And these all are the contracts that they have provided. Then this one is the sign rate. So this is basically a calculated column, the calculated card. So there are some calculations going on behind the software, and this percentage is automatically gets calculated. Now for this person, we have 51 cent items, and these all are the figures that has been assigned to this Thomas house. Now I'm selecting all the four ones, and here is a chart which is the sent and signed. So sent and signed, darker blue is the sent one, and the light blue is the signed ones. This chart is representing that sent and signed. Then for all the persons. Now here we have a table over here which is provide us the details of their individual wise contracts, then sent, signed, sent value, and signed value. So this table provides us this details of every person who is using the contracts and their different values here. So it's a detailed table. Then apart from there, we have the names uh, provided over here. So this table provides us the days since sent. So this one is the contracts that has been sent and how many days before they have sent. So for example, Douglas Spencer, he has sent the contracts 515 days before. And then the second one is for an example, Jeff Graves, he has sent this contract 471 days before. So this table provides us the picture that how many contracts before days they have sent on, and how many are dues. So I mean the work capacity of how much time they are taking to send the contracts. So this dashboard is providing all the insights within these tables and graphs, and they're easy to understand. Then I have another dashboard, which is full-time contracts. So this is a page and dashboard similar to the contractual dashboard, but here we have a table and the graph. Now here This similarly, the previous one, we have two filters here as well, which is the first one is representing the closer one, and then the second one is the representing the select date range. Now for FTC, we have total card value, then sent, signed, and full-time contract sign rate. And then this one is days to sign. So this is a calculated card where it's calculating how many days to sign each contract, full-time contract value. Now, this is the chart for sent and signed for each one person. So like for example, Thomas House. So we have 110 sent value and then 23 is signed value. So this chart is basically providing us the details of send and sign for each and every person which is involved in full-time contracts. Now, there is another table behind it, and this provides us the total sent, signed, sign rate, and days in sent. So this is the cards. The top card is providing the total value, whereas we can look all these details which are providing to the top here individual wise. So this table is basically providing us the values for each person individually, that how many they have provided, then sent and signed, and their signing rate, and last one is the days. So this is the full-time dashboard currently. And apart from that, I also build the booked calls dashboard as well. So this one is the booked calls. And of course, it has different layouts, sections and layouts. So the first one is having the filters, which is closer, then calendar name, of course, and the same source from which we are getting that calls. So this one is the source filter, and then the final one is the date range. Now, this section provides us the total values. For example, total calls, confirmed calls, showed calls, no shows, and cancel. Then this one is the calculated card value, which in turn becomes red and green according to the percentage we have over here. So it's a conditional formatting that I have applied here on this card, and it's changed upon meeting the certain criteria. Currently, it's showing red, but upon meeting upon certain criteria, it will show green automatically. Now again, the cancel rate is already there. Then we have broker calls, and these all are the cards which are showing for the broker call section. We have a table over here as well. And the last one is the follow-up calls. So this section provides us the total of each value for the follow-up calls. And then there is a table which also provides us the details for follow-up calls. So this is a dynamic dashboard, and we can just choose, let's say if I want to just choose only Thomas House, then this whole dashboard will get changed automatically. And we can see here, the table is only reflecting the Thomas House and Thomas House here as well. So it's a good way of showing the dashboard. Basically, if we want to just search for one person, or if we are looking for every person, and the date individually, and we can just see the data reflecting for individual sections as well. So this is all in this video, and I hope you like this video. And for any customizations, or if you want this dashboard to be customized in your way, or maybe if you are looking the same dashboard to be representing your in your requirements, then I can just you can just easily connect with me on my WhatsApp or my email address, which I will be sharing you in the description part of this video. So for more details, you can just easily connect with me, and we can discuss more in details about your organization and requirements. So thank you, and thanks for watching again this video, and I hope you like this video and the work that I've created here for Looker Studio contractual dashboard and full-time contractual dashboard, as well as this is a calls dashboard, which might you are looking maybe. So thanks for watching this video, and we will definitely talk soon, and have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.